Everyone, we're Team Blanckets and we're here to demonstrate to you on how to disassemble and assemble a computer. First of all, we're gonna introduce ourselves.
Hello guys, I'm Gerald Segundo.
And I'm Luis Manuel De Leon.
I'm Miguel Torres. I'll be the cameraman.
Okay, let's start.
First remove the cover
from the case. So you can see all the components. Here's the power supply and the video card, the whole motherboard, and it has this
CPU fan
and heat sinks, the output connectors here, and the memory card,
also the video card
and the hard drive, and also this
CD-ROM.
So first we're gonna
remove
the power supply and its connectors. And this is the 4-pin connector to the motherboard. Also the 20-pin connector. So now we're ready to take off the power supply, so we can freely remove everything. So now what's left here is the video card, the motherboard, the hard drive. So gonna take this video card out, and it has a lock here, so just pull the lock and then you can remove this card. And this is a Sapphire 5670 1 gig DDR5 video card and has 1 to 8 bit memory bandwidth. So this is powerful card.
This is for gaming actually.
And we're gonna remove the SATA ports. Removing the hard disk. This hard disk says that it has 320 gig and at 72,000 RPM. The next key is the CD-ROM. Take this out. And what left here is just the motherboard. We're sorry that we can take this out of the case because it has some built-in.
We accidentally destroyed the screw.
Yeah. So it has.
So we're gonna remove the fan and pull out the.
Okay, so we're gonna can see all the thermal paste there. So,
bit by
so
there's a lot. Yeah.
Just pull it out.
And this is the heart
That is the CPU.
of the series of the computer actually. That's a dust.
yes, that's the thermal paste. So the heat transfer will be directly transferred to its heat sink.
Now that is all the components of motherboard. Now we are going to
Place it back.
we're going to assemble now the CPU.
Oh, we
and,
forgot about the
RAM.
RAM.
This
So this is the RAM.
is Kingston 2 gig.
Okay.
And also the battery.
This is the CMOS battery.
Usually
Just
there.
push it, then you will hear a sound to click. There, it's already locked.
And
Okay,
we're
so
going
Now we're going to place back all the
components back
Components.
again to its designated.
to areas. We're gonna put
there's
this.
the video card. Just
There's the lock. It's locked properly.
it's already locked.
Also the CPU fan.
And this one gives the control to the
CPU,
fan. So
CPU fan.
this is where the power the hard drive. So I'll give this signal. So
Here you can see the gold plate. Do not touch it. It's very sensitive. Also the RAM.
Now we're screwing it back, the components, so it will not move. So we're gonna place now the
Power supply.
power supply.
If you don't know anything about power supply, don't troubleshoot it because it's so very dangerous. It can kill you.
Can blow your head off.
So let's get the big one, the 20 pin. So we need the screw for the while he's screwing the power supply, we'll now put back the connectors to the different parts of the motherboard and the hardwares. The 20 pin power connector, the 4 pin,
SATA connectors.
As you can see, we're no longer using the IDE cables. That you can see that it's look like a belt because nowadays there's what you call the SATA, the most modern use
Connector.
connectors. So all cables are in and all the hardware's taken back from its place. So now we're gonna put back the cover.
It is for the fan.
This is the power connector to the fan of the case.
Just slide it in there.
And that's it.
Once again, this is Team Blanckets. This is Luis and Gerald, and I'm Miguel. Thank you for watching our movie.
Hope to see you again. Next.
Our prof is Sir Eric Navarro, and this is our project for ITEF.
Good luck, guys.